Hey everyone, welcome back to She Makes 31. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen and then I'm also going to be decorating for Christmas. I did a little cocoa bar station, so check that out. Make sure you stick around till the end so that you can see how it all turned out, guys. I really love it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so that you can see my future videos. So I'm starting off by emptying out my dishwasher and putting in all of the items into the cabinets, my silverware, putting that all away. Here I'm putting all the cups away, and as you can see, it's a pretty full cabinet. I need to get rid of so many of these cups. My kids have so many cups, and so I just need to clean that up. And also here, my cabinets, same thing. I have to do a massive clean out and just take out the items I'm not using very often. So I'll definitely be putting that in another video in the near future, so make sure you subscribe and check it out later. Next, I'm loading up my dishwasher. I didn't get to fill it up at the very end, so I didn't start the cycle, but I got it almost full. After dinner, we were able to fill it up and start it for the night. There are certain things I like to hand wash, like my bamboo cutting boards and certain mugs that are not dishwasher friendly. So I went ahead and did that with my Mrs. Meyer's peppermint soap. It smells so good. I do put pots and pans in my dishwasher, but this is the largest one that I have, and I just find that it's easier to just hand wash it instead of it taking up so much room in my dishwasher. Here I'm cleaning off this countertop. This is like one of our hot spots in our home. We just put stuff here and just the most random items come up here. We also have like this charging station here, and I just hate all the cords. So if any of you guys have a solution on what I could do to fix this whole cord problem, let me know, please. Now, decisions. It was between the Iowa Pine and the Mrs. Meyer's Peppermint Multi-Surface Spray. I decided to go with peppermint this time. Now I wanted to show you guys these towels that I got last year. They're these really cute tea towels I got at Walmart last year. One says have yourself a merry little Christmas, and my favorite, all mama wants is a silent night. And can I get an amen to that, moms? And here I'm using the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. I mentioned this in my Grove Collaborative unboxing video, and I just love this on my stove. It works really well. I like to spray it on and leave it there to sit for a few minutes and then wipe it off. I really don't have to do much scrubbing. Next, I'm wiping down all of my cabinets, and don't worry, I did wash and rinse my rag, so it's nice and clean now. I'm also using the Mrs. Meyer's peppermint spray for this. I love that after I'm done, it smells so good in my kitchen, and I know that everything is nice and clean. Now I decided to move my coffee maker to the other side of my sink because I'm going to put up a little coffee / cocoa bar station. Now here's the fun part, all of the decorating. I'm going to go ahead and get all of the items that I'm going to be using and kind of just figuring out where I'm going to put everything. Now, most of the items that I use to decorate here in my kitchen are from the Target Dollar Spot. I did a shop with me on that, and also a couple of items are also from Dollar Tree. I'll link those videos so that you can see what I bought. My boys love a cup of hot cocoa with a little bit of cinnamon and some marshmallows, and of course a little peppermint stick candy cane. So they were so happy when they saw that this was all set up for them. And so now I just gotta watch my 3-year-old make sure he doesn't eat all the candy and marshmallows. just a few simple things can make such a difference. I'm using the shatterproof ornaments that I got from Dollar Tree, little bell ornaments that I got from Dollar Tree, and also these small little picks that I've had for a few years. Now, I was really excited about this new decoration that I was putting up this year. I have seen some of these things on Pinterest, and I've had these small little wreaths for years, and so I thought that would be so cute if I just hung them up on my cabinets. On the other side of the cabinet, on the inside part, I used some suction cup hooks, and so I put those on equal spots on both cabinets and hung these little wreaths, ivy wreaths, with some ribbon. And last but not least, I was going to shine my sink. So I went ahead and cleaned off my sink. It just feels so good to just be done with all the cleaning and just have a nice, shiny, clear sink with no dishes, which won't last long, but I will admire it for as long as I can. Now here is the end result, guys. I totally love the way it came out. The traditional colors are totally my jam, the red and the green. So I use that, and just a few simple touches make it look so pretty and so inviting and so cozy. So I hope that I inspired you and I motivated you to decorate your kitchen and clean your kitchen. I just love the way this came out, and I also love the way the little cocoa bar came out. I still have to get a canister for my cocoa powder and put that out. But it's just so cute, really simple. I wanted to do a tiered tray, but this is what I have to work with, but I absolutely love it. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we do wish you a Merry Little Christmas.